ABB is not the first, but we have developed the most outstanding arc welding robot on the market, the ABB 1600 ID, the ultimate arc welding machine. I've shown you the top 6 sales arguments for the ABB 1600 ID, which are the long life expectancy of the hose package and that it's easy to replace. The ABB 1600 ID has the highest reliability of all process arms on the market, and the slender profile of the robot with hose package makes it possible to have a high robot density on the shop floor, and thus a higher output from the factory. The slender profile and the enlarged work area of Access 6 ensures excellent accessibility for welding inside narrow places and enables circular welding without interruption or disturbance. The last 2 arguments on increased accessibility makes the programming time shorter for robot installations with ABB 1600 ID than for other robots in arc welding applications.